gosh, guys. So this is my mom's first YouTube short, and I want you to go subscribe to her, but look at these clouds, guys. Wait, why is your phone better quality than mine? We have the same phone. Guys, look, we literally had the same phone. It's weird. Oh, look, now we have the same quality. Okay. Look at those clouds. It's so dark in the car now.
Beautiful. Look over there. Look at how dark it is. It's just like a wall of darkness.
It looks like, guys, it looks light on the phone, but you should see our perspective. It's way darker. Look, see? It's way lighter, but it's okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. I can hear those little raindrops. Probably because it's hurricane season, right? Wait, we never had this dark of a clouds in so long. Why? Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Suota? For what?
Even the temperature dropped. Ellie. Look at the temperature.
Oh my
dropping.
gosh, the temperature dropped. It was just at like 89. It dropped to 85 over here.
And 84. Look, it keeps going lower.
84. Oh crap, okay. 83! Oh my gosh! 82! It's going down ridiculous. Ridiculously going. The temperature is going down. Be careful on this side because remember there's no fence on that side. Well, this is your first YouTube short, Mom.
The thing is that we're almost home, and so I don't have